Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Myself Sumit. I made this video especially for you. As I purchased this new soundbar from Bose, I thought why not to share this details with you also. So please watch the full video. So firstly, let us talk about from where did I purchase. I purchased this soundbar and the bass module from the Bose authorized showroom from Park Street, Kolkata. And then I thought why not to make the complete set. So I purchased a surround speakers from Amazon itself. Yes, the reason is I did not purchase from Bose showroom was the cost. Now let me talk about the cost. The cost of this complete set, when you purchase it without any discount, you will have to pay around 1,17,500 approximately. Now, when I purchased this, I got a great deal on this. What was the deal? The Bose was giving a combo offer on the soundbar and the bass module. The soundbar alone costs around 59,000 and the bass module costs around 30,000 rupees. So when you combine these two, you have to pay around 89,000 rupees. But on the combo offer, Bose was giving 20,000 discount. So 89,000 minus 20,000, I got it only for 69,000. Now, the reason I did not purchase the surround speakers from Bose showroom was there was no discount on this. So what I did, when I came back home after 2 days, I saw that there is a sale on Amazon. The Bose is giving 10% discount on this surround speaker. Also, if I use ICICI Bank credit card, I'll get 2,500 rupees off. So the cost of this surround speaker actually is 28,240, but I cracked the deal and I got it only for 23,500 approximately. So overall it was a great deal for me. So I purchased the complete set around 93,500, but if you go without a discount, definitely you have to pay on a higher side and it will cost you around 1,17,500 to 1,18,000. So kindly stay tuned with the video. Now we will be doing the unboxing and at last I'll also do the review of this soundbar in this video itself. Here, first one we can see the laser here. This is Bose Soundbar 500. Below that we can see bass module 500 by Bose, and the last one at the bottom we can see here is the surround speakers by Bose. So we will be doing the unboxing one by one. So let's unbox the first soundbar 500. So here we go. The second one also, here we go. Now let's see what's given inside the box. Now here is the Bose Soundbar 500. The beauty in itself. You can see the Bose logo over here. It's very pretty. It's completely matte finish on the top. Let me take it out of the box and show you. You can see the soundbar. I'll go in the description later. Let's check what's else inside the box. Here's some foam that we can see to protect the speakers. Next, what we have inside, multiple power cords we have, HDMI cable, and here we have adaptive IQ. Let's keep it aside. Here we have a small remote, which is not universal remote. It's just a basic remote. Here is some paperwork, user manuals. Let's keep it aside. What else do we get here? And what else we have here? Here I think we have, yes, this is a receiver, or you can say the power adapter. So here is the complete set what we get out of the box. One remote, one soundbar, user manual, power adapter, and here are some cables, HDMI, power cable, and here is the adaptive IQ that we use to calibrate the speakers. So now let's go to the next unboxing for the bass module. Let's see what's there inside the box. It's complete protection over here with foam. Next here is the user manual. Next here is the beauty itself, the bass module 500. Let's check it out. It's very mini compact. So Let's keep it aside. This is very compact in size. We can see here. At the back, we get the connection options, I think. Here we have the connectivity options. You can see here. Here is the acoustimas and here is the power source. Here we have one button and here is the LED. Now let's get started with the unboxing of the surround speakers. So let's see what's there inside this box. So here on the top we have the user manual. Next we have two tiny boxes. I think these are surround speakers. Yes. Here also is the same. Next, here are the empty boxes, I think, for safety. Let's see what's here in this. Here, I think it's the power receivers, the wireless receivers. With this one, there are 2 in number for each. It's very surprising to see that the size of this one and this one is approximately same. We'll check it out later. Let's keep it aside. Next, what we have here in this box. Oh, here are some power cables and connectivities, and also we have got small number of 2 switches to put it inside the back of the surround speakers that I'll be showing you later. Let's keep this aside and come with the speakers itself. So here we have the set what we got out of the box. Here are the 2 tiny speakers. They look just fabulous. The size is very small, you can see here. And here are the 2 receivers we get, and these are the 2 plugs and the user manual with some power cables. So here is the 3 unboxing I've shown you. Now here I have arranged the speaker in a sequence. First is the soundbar. The next one in the center we can see the Bose module 500 and surrounding speakers aside it. And in the front we have kept a small beautiful basic remote. Now let's get back to the soundbar and see the power connections what we have got here. So here I have turned the full system on the back side, and I'll show you the connectivity options that we get here. For the surround system we get only one power connection source. For this one I already showed in the unboxing. And let's come to the soundbar itself. First is the power source, then adaptive IQ. This is for bass if you want to connect it through cable. This is IR. They don't provide this cables over here. This is for LAN port, and that is internet port. This is optical in. This is for service, and this is HDMI. So what you get in the box is the HDMI cable and the power source with adaptive IQ cable. Now let's come on the top. From the top, when you see, you get 2 options. Here is the mic for Alexa. If you click it once, the mic will be off. That means Alexa will not be able to hear you. And this is for standby. Now I'll set it up once and I'll come back to you with the review of the soundbar after a week, how it sounds and every basic information that's required for you. So hey guys, I've used my Bose speakers almost for a week, and then I am reviewing it about the Alexa and how it sounds. Actually, I have placed it in my dining room and it just rocks it. Windows starts shattering, the center table and sofa starts to vibrate when I take the sound level to say more than 60. So it's very good. I can say it's just a premium product. So let's play some music, and also I will be playing one action movie so you can make it out how it actually sounds in this surround system. So here is my TV. I'll be playing some music. Here is the speaker itself. I have placed the sound bar, and here below it is the Bose module that I have kept here. Now I'll be taking you to this surround speakers that I have kept it on my refrigerator, and the last one more surround speaker that I have kept is here. You can see this with my showpiece. It's really very tiny and looks very good. Guys, let's start with Alexa first. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a playlist you might like on Amazon Music.
I'll show you some more features. Alexa, what's the news today?
Here's your news. Hello, here's the latest news.
Alexa, volume up by 10 points.
सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम एकजुट होकर
Flag march by Bengaluru police in riot hit areas of the city. Karnataka government blames
So guys, here I'll play a action movie for you so you can make it out how is the surround system working. So here is a small remote from the Bose that is provided. We can see here there are multiple options. This is for music directly you can play. This is for TV connection. You will one press you can connect to TV, Bluetooth. This is standby, power up down. This is mute. This is previous, next, pause and play. This is preset buttons. So this is it. Hope you like this video. So kindly leave a comment in the comment box and say me what do you feel about this product. Kindly like and share this video, and still if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload a video. Thank you for watching this.